Start in Airsoft. Tips. First tip, be rich. Second tip, if you don't have money and you're not rich, get a job. Third tip, don't get a girlfriend. Fourth tip, if you have a girlfriend, tell her that all the guns that you have and you bought is your friends. Fifth tip, go research to buy a stuff. Go research. Fifth tip, go on airsoft sites to see the gear. Sixth tip, get a vehicle to drive. Seventh tip, if you don't have a vehicle, buy one. Seventh tip, if you don't have driver license, pass the driver license. Eighth tip, uh, buy a gear from airsoft sites. There's a millions. Google it. Ninth tip, find a nearest airsoft club, woodland, where you can shoot. Ninth tip, buy a airsoft gun. There's a millions of gun. Don't be lazy, just research and look in on million sites. 10 tip, use the law that in your country. In UK, your gun have to be 350. Google it. 11 tip, look the dates of the events. 12 tip, get a gear, get a camouflage. 13 tip, get batteries for your airsoft gun. 14 tip, get a loadout where you're gonna put your magazines. 15 tip, get a magazines. 16 tip, get a BBs. That's a bullets to your gun. Small 60 millimeters, 2.0 grams. 15 tip, decide who you wanna be. Don't be a sniper. You just buy airsoft rifle, M4 or AK-74. I lost the count. Tip. We have a loader. We have a camouflage. Get your ass to airsoft and play the hell out of there. P.S. If you have a girlfriend, then you have to just, I don't know, dump your girlfriend and do airsoft.